Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cannon. Let's start off by drawing the wheels with a circle here and a smaller circle inside. Then, do that one more time for the back wheel. In between, connect the wheels with a line like so. And at the back, draw an L shape. On top, add a line that goes to the right and turns up at the end. And another line to the right that turns up at the end again. Lastly, one more line that goes to the right that then turns down and back to the wheel to finish off the cart. For the cannon, draw a big curve on the back like so. Then, add a really tall, narrow upside-down U shape at an angle. From the top, draw a line going up at a slight angle. Another tall upside-down U shape. Continue the line going up. One last tall upside-down U shape. And continuing the line going up all the way here. And underneath, draw another line going up at a slightly higher angle to make the cannon taper inward more. At the front, add a slightly thicker vertical oval shape. For some added detail, draw a small circle at the end of the cannon like so. And at the back, add a small rectangle on top, with a curved line coming out of it for the fuse. Then, draw some lines going outward from the end to show that it's lit. To add more detail, add a horizontal line across the bottom of the cart and behind the wheels. And some thin, slightly wavy lines across the cart for the wood texture. Lastly, you can draw a big explosion out the front. Start with a line going straight up from the front of the cannon. Then draw a big U shape that's leaning towards the right like so. Draw a bigger U shape, but lean it even more towards the right. And then, draw an even bigger U shape that's sideways. And finally, mirror all that underneath. And now you've got a cannon.